Welcome back to Diet Baker YouTube channel. And if you're new to this channel, please press the like button, subscribe button and also the bell button, and that motivates me to make much more interesting videos. So if you don't know who am I'm Swati Somayagi, nutritionist and nutrition coach, where we create awareness regarding nutrition and also we provide customized diet plans for all your lifestyle disorders like diabetes, blood pressure, PCOD, PCOS and weight management and many things, even the thyroid problems. So do contact Diet Baker, and also don't forget to follow Diet Baker in all the social media platforms, mainly Instagram, Facebook and also in the Twitter. So show your love, show some support for the Diet Baker. And now watch this entire video till the end. And you know, this is a universal topic and everyone is fond of losing weight, and yeah, some exceptions are there who will tend to gain weight, but today we will be discussing top 10 secrets to lose fat. And I need to say you something. There are two categories when it comes to losing weight. One is that they have a food control, they do exercise properly and every sort of things they do in order to lose weight. And then comes another category where they strive hard and they feel lazy to exercise, and also they can't have a control over their food but still they want to lose weight. So what to do in such case? Don't worry, then this video is definitely for you, no matter if you belong to category 1 or category 2. So today this video is all about top 10 secrets to lose fat. Stay tuned. So among 10 top secrets, first is that unrealistic expectation. Yes, this plays a major role, where I get many of questions. Swati, I need to lose weight and I try so hard and still I can't lose weight. Please help me with the diet plan and gives me some guidelines, and I look after over it. And when I give them such suggestions or diet plans, whatever it is, but still they don't, sometimes they don't follow it, and sometimes even if they follow, they fail to lose weight. So where are they going wrong? I will tell you where it is. The first is that don't set unrealistic expectations. Yes, that's where you are going wrong. You need not to set the unrealistic expectations that might be in 1 week I have to lose 4 kgs, in 1 month I have to lose 10 kgs. Wow, that miracle won't happen, because slow and steady wins the race. That proverb itself says everything. In order to lose weight, you need to have some patience and you have to follow proper guidelines. Unrealistic expectations. So first and foremost, what you need to do is that love your body, and it is a miracle that you're gonna see. Yes, and then set realistic goals, and that leads to achievable destination. Yes, first, as you know, as I always keep saying, the healthy gaining of healthy losing weight is that half kg per week. Half to 1 kg it might be extend, but not more than that. So have some patience, go accordingly and love your body, accept the body, have what you are, of however it might be, and then you will see the changes. Next. And the second top secret is that you are losing weight. Yes, as I always mentioned in the title slide, top 10 secrets to lose fat and not weight. I'll tell you what it is and you will know what it is. That you are losing weight. It means that weight fluctuates every single day, but not fat. Weight is a such thing that changes accordingly as per the daytime. Like if you check your weight in the morning, in the afternoon and in the evening and also in the night, you get different varies of weight as such. and also body weight fluctuates up to 2.268 kg in a day depending on your metabolism. So here what the actual funda is. 2.268 kg, the body weight fluctuates, which means that the weight is not constant, because I'll tell you why is that in the next slide. Next slide please. Yes, here it is. 3 timings, 3 different measurements, and that's what I was saying in my previous slide. Water, water, water. Most of our body, as we all know, it's composed of water. So when you weigh your body measurement in different timings of the day, you'll get different weight. So it is important to lose fat rather than your weight. Ditch the weighing scale. Yes, I've seen many people, they're so conscious about their weight and they keep checking repeatedly and oftenly. Please don't do that. Gain muscle and lose fat at the same time. Yes, you can easily lose weight you can easily lose fat if you gain muscle. So gaining muscle is very important. Measuring tape must be your friend. Yes, ditch the weighing scale and measuring tape must be your friend, because if your old clothes fits properly, then you must be happy, because that is what it is we want. We want to lose fat and not weight. That is more important. Next. Yes, binging on healthy food has seen many people. Swati, this food is healthy, right? And that food is healthy, right? And that is good for diabetes, no? So I can have it as much as I can, isn't it? And that's where you people are going wrong. No guilt-free treats. If it is healthy, or it means the food is healthy, it doesn't mean that you can have how much ever you want or how much ever you feel like eating. No, you can't give yourself a guilt-free treats. Take a break. Like you can have a small portion of healthy, whether it is healthy or junk, the portion size matters a lot, you know. So in order to have a healthy body system, you need to take a break sometimes. Like you will be conscious every time on the dieting or exercise. Sometimes leave all that, take some break, have fun, like eat, sleep, relax. Yes, sometimes you need to have sometimes you need to become some lazy pandas, and yes, still you can lose fat. Next. Yes, next secret is that hungry or thirsty. Yes, first make sure that are you hungry or thirsty, because this is a too confusing terms actually, where you might be having thirst but you feel like eating, and that's where you increase your weight. So what you want to do is that avoid dehydration. Dehydration also leads to increase in weight, where due to dehydration you'll feel like you're having hungry, your appetite increases. So first thing, you drink your water as much as possible, and then see, are you actually hungry? Then only you have to have your food. And yes, it's always a controversy of having a water per day, like they say 2.5 to 3 liters water per day, and it's still in controversy, like it varies according to your body metabolism. And also there's a formula you can follow, where your weight into 30, which actually gives an average drinking water for your requirement. Next one is creepy liquid calories. Yes, it is common that we tend to have food intake, like we have so much conscious about the food, solid food that we are taking, but we neglect the liquid calories. Why is that so? And that is where we go wrong. Beverages and sugar drinks also has some calories, and that leads to gaining fat, or that leads to gaining weight. So you must be careful in having your creepy liquids. Next is that lift some weight. Yes, you may think that lifting weight, I need not to have so much body muscles, and oh no, I just want to be fit. Yes, in order to still you need to lift some weight in order to lose fat, because I have already mentioned in my previous slide that gaining muscle or losing fat, we need to gain some muscles. So this is where actually helpful, where defines tone, your body tone defines everything. And next, build and preserve muscle mass. Yes, muscle mass vary from fat. You can see the actual differences between muscle mass and fat when you can see your body measurements or body fluid measurements. You actually can determine the body fat and body muscle mass, where we need body mass, actually mass and muscle mass, and not fat mass. Prevent metabolism slowdown after burn. Yes, metabolism, it's go crazy sometimes. Where excessive burning your calories leads to the variation in the metabolism, and that where you need to have some control. Next, stressed out. Yes, this is always happens with anyone as such. Stress can be underlying cause. Did you know that stress is also one of the cause that makes you fat and that leads to increase your weight? No? Yes, then it is. Stressed out, as you might have seen some of the posts in Instagram where I have been talking about eating disorders. Yes, that is the one where stress causes binging, and binging leads to weight gain. Next is cortisol play a very important role. Cortisol is one of the important hormone that varies your stress control and all those stuffs. So you need to have some relax. You can do either meditation, yoga, any such of. You can still listen to music. Everyone loves music. So just relax sometime and keep your stresses away. Lack of sleep, and this pandemic has made us our sleep fluctuations like whatever it is, we have gone mad at all. So yes, as I said, hormones go crazy, and especially our sleeping routine has changed, our working routine has changed. So all this has become such a factor that we ultimately leads to gaining weight. So increased ghrelin, increased appetite. Ghrelin is the hormone that increases your appetite. So if you are a lack of sleep, if you didn't sleep properly, they say 7 to 8 hours sleep you require, so that where the hormones go crazy. So carbs and fat cravings survival mood. Yes, I've seen people saying that I won't take such food. It's because of it has lots of carbs, and I don't take such foods. It's low in fat. I take such foods because it is low in fat, and that's where you have gone wrong. Carbs and fat has its own calorie requirements. You can say 1 gram of carbs gives 4 kilocalorie, whereas fat gives 1 gram of fat gives 9 kilocalorie. So there's a difference, but still you require carbs and fat in equal or in some controlled proportions, and that proportions you need to know according to your body weight. Next. Too much focus, and this is the last one and the important one. Too much focus. What happens sometimes is that we will be looking so much for our calories, burning out of calories, our portion size control. We will be so too conscious. As I told in my previous slide, sometimes relax, just relax. Restrictions, short terms, fancy and trendy diets. Yes, you have seen the many fancy and trendy diets in the society now. Intermittent diet, then keto has gone viral. But what I suggest is the balanced diet suits for every occasion, every situation, and for everything. So please follow balanced diet and ditch everything else diet that is so called trendy and fancy. Next is misconception about diet. Have seen people saying that I'm on dieting, yeah. what is actually the dieting? Dieting is not that, if the term diet means, it's not that you are on starving or you are on something that some whatever it is, you are not starving mainly. Diet is a simple term where to food intake, your food intake resembles dieting, and not the starving is called dieting. And that's where the so misconception has, and that has to be removed. Enjoy food, no filter, nutritious food, fulfilled. So the main thing is that you need to enjoy your food. Food is something, it's lifts up our mood, lifts up our energy and everything. So you need to just enjoy your food. Yeah, why can't you? And the nutritious, fulfilled. The food which you take must, as always, it should be nutritious. And when I say nutritious, don't go in search of nutritious. Oh, this is nutritious. No, this is nutritious. No, please don't do that. Every food, when it is homemade food or something you cook at your own, and that will be nutritious definitely. But sometimes, yeah, you have to need some knowledge, simple basic knowledge regarding your food. And that's enough. Next, fulfilled. The food which you take is just to fill your stomach and not overfilling of your stomach. Yes, for this you can take a small plate, and in small plate, however how much portion it is there, you can finish it there. And don't take extras, and that extras leads to gaining weight. Small plate where you can see the changes. And all these are the top 10 secrets where you can lose weight. And yeah, all these are nothing that rocket science I've told you. I've told all the silly stuffs, silly things that where you go wrong actually in order to losing weight. So now losing fat is actually easy. I hope you like this video, and for much more interesting videos, share, like, follow, comment, and whatever it's possible, please do that and support me. And I am here to guide you, to give your nutrition updates and everything as such possible. Yes, all these top 10 secrets look silly, and you know what? These silly things make a big changes in your body or to your body. So follow the silly top secrets of losing fat, and then you will thank me later. So thank you for watching this video. So until my next video, stay tuned.